Well, it's officially been 2 nights that we've been in our house. We've kind of moved in. We've got mattresses on the floor. Yesterday we went in and hit a couple garage sales, moving sales, got a dresser for Lana's room. But again, her bed is on the floor. And the same goes for Mariah's room. She got a piano stand that she's been wanting for a long time. Couldn't fit that in the RV. And again, her bed's on the floor. So, since we've been here for 2 days and we're kind of itching for some travel, today we're having a bit of a road trip adventure. So where are we going on our road trip adventure today?
Ikea.
Ikea? That's not a national park. Is the Ikea National Park?
No.
No.
It's a store.
You watch furniture run around?
Wild furniture?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do at Ikea?
We're gonna buy furniture.
It's furniture, not
Oh.
furniture.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Daddy walked like in the bathroom.
Navigate to Ikea.
Showing results for Ikea. In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Well, we've made it to Ikea. Since there actually isn't one in the Cleveland area, we had to drive 2 hours to Columbus.
Yep.
We actually haven't been to an Ikea in a long time.
Oh my
Since we
gosh.
were in Italy.
Where our entire apartment basically looked like an Ikea catalog because it was totally furnished with Ikea.
Yes.
So here we are, finally back again. We are starting things off with food because Ikea is like the cheapest food ever. And it's good stuff.
And it's time for lunch.
That one right there. We don't typically order dessert in a restaurant, but here for $3.
Not even $3, only 2.
Now technically this is fast food, but it's a lot better than fast food.
Way better than McDonald's for sure.
But we got out of here with $25.
That's good stuff.
That's typically what we spend at McDonald's.
No Swedish meatballs for me. I'm trying salmon balls. They're pretty good actually.
Okay, what's happening?
I'm peeking out the window.
You find the house?
It's really pretty.
Added to the list. You find your room?
Yeah, the desks are adjustable for kids so they can grow with them.
Hey, should I get a drink, please?
Yes.
I think you're too young to serve wine.
Here you go.
While our house is pretty much completely empty, we're actually not planning on buying too much stuff here at Ikea. We've picked out some bed frames for the girls and some other
office
smaller
stuff
things.
for-
Office stuff for me because
yeah.
I need some things for
Gotta
my
get
office.
working.
But we're planning on picking up some used stuff and finding some pieces of furniture that we could repurpose, repaint, and make it fit to what our style is.
And after remodeling the RV, he plans to buy some tools and make some furniture for us.
Yeah, Rachel wants me to build a dining room table. We also want to build a
Coffee
live
table.
edge,
Something
coffee
with live
table
edge for sure.
And then our bed frame for our bedroom. That's going to be a tough task since I've never done furniture building before. I did build one cabinet for the girls in the RV, and that came out actually pretty good. So I'm hopeful it's not going to be too hard.
In addition to building furniture, we're also choosing a dresser that's unfinished wood so that we can put our own stain and finish on it, put our own handles on it, and make it more our style.
You guys had a couple of
Stuff inside.
I think this is big enough for you to fit in, Lana.
I don't know if she should. No. Okay.
Lock her in. Okay, let's go. That took long enough. Probably an hour to figure out everything that we wanted.
Like an hour and 20.
And now to go downstairs to the other half of the store.
Find more. Let's go. Now that I don't have a baby-sized oven, I can buy normal-sized baking trays.
And an oven that's not going to burn all your food?
Yes. Real glasses, since
Not
we don't
plastic ones?
shatter while we drive.
How are you managing with that cart?
For some reason, IKEA carts are more difficult to turn than others.
All four wheels turn, so you can't corner very well. More to go. Almost done. Got a couple more things to get. Got a lot of stuff here. Take a look. This is where the real damage comes in.
Is it gonna fit?
Now to see if it does fit. That's the question. It's like a puzzle. Last piece to the puzzle. I think it's all in there. Almost. Hopefully it'll stay secure as we drive. We've got about 120 miles to go before we get home, but 4 hours at Ikea. Didn't think we were gonna spend this long here. Well, that's gonna do it for today. We've got a lot of furniture. Next time you see us, we'll probably be putting it all together and getting everything in the house. I think everything that we picked up today is gonna be a good chunk of what we need to get the house furnished, but we've still got a lot to do. You done for the day?
I'm more than done for the day. I don't even want to think about unloading this stuff.
You guys get to put all the furniture together. That's the beauty of IKEA furniture.
Tomorrow's
Someone's
a
got to
rainy
put it
day.
together.
Oh, we got to get it out before tomorrow. It's gonna rain.
Yeah.
Just pull the truck in the garage, and we'll put it all together in the garage.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you guys on the road.